Most people panic when their vanilla gift card shows a pending status. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, nothing is actually wrong with your money. It's just a delay in authorization that can be fixed if you know the right steps. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is trying random transactions over and over. That often makes the pending status last even longer. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to fix a vanilla gift card stuck on pending in 2026, what causes it, and the fastest ways to get your payment approved or released again. Let's start with the most common reason this happens. When you use a vanilla gift card, every transaction goes through a security check. If the system is unsure about the merchant or amount, it places the transaction in pending status instead of approving or declining it immediately. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many pending transactions are not failures. They are temporary holds. That means the money is not gone, but it is not fully released either. First step, check your transaction history on the Vanilla Gift website. Log in and see if the transaction is marked pending or completed. If it is pending, do not retry the same purchase immediately. But here's the problem. Many users try again and again, thinking the payment didn't go through. This can create multiple pending holds on the same amount. Second step, verify your card balance. Sometimes the merchant places a pre-authorization hold, especially for hotels, subscriptions, or online stores like PayPal-linked payments. These holds can last a few days before automatically releasing. Now let's talk about a key fix. If your card is stuck, pending for more than 3 to 5 business days, contact the merchant first. Ask them if the transaction is still pending or if it failed on their end. In many cases, they can release or cancel the hold faster than the card provider. Another important step is checking billing information. Make sure the zip code and address you entered match what the system expects. Even a small mismatch can trigger a pending status instead of approval. Now here's where most people get relief. In many cases, pending vanilla gift transactions automatically clear within a few days without any action. The system either completes the payment or refunds it back to your balance. If it still doesn't resolve, you should contact Vanilla Gift Support directly. They can trace the transaction and confirm whether the funds are still on hold or already processed. Here's the final takeaway. A pending gift card is not a lost card. It is usually a temporary security hold or processing delay that clears with time or simple verification steps. If this helped you understand what's going on, hit like, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more clear guides that solve real payment problems fast.